Density plays a crucial role in buoyancy, which is essential for designing vessels that float or submerge. Ships need to be less dense than water to float, while submarines must be able to change their density to move up and down in the water. Imagine you're a naval architect, fancy title for someone who designs ships and submarines. You're basically playing a high-stakes game of will it float? But instead of tossing random objects into your bathtub, you're dealing with massive vessels and millions of dollars. For ships, you need to design a hull that displaces enough water to counteract the ship's weight, keeping it afloat. It's like giving the ocean a big bear hug and making sure it hugs back with just the right amount of force. Submarines, though, are the real density dynamos. They're like the chameleons of the sea, changing their density on demand. They have ballast tanks that can be filled with water or air to increase or decrease their overall density. When they want to dive, they let water in, becoming denser than the surrounding ocean. Ready to surface? They pump that water out, becoming less dense and rising like a cork. It's like they're doing a density dance, leading to that classic submarine movie scene, dive, dive, dive. But density isn't just for sea lovers. It's everywhere. It's why hot air balloons rise, less dense hot air inside the balloon, why oil floats on water in your salad dressing, and why helium balloons try to escape to the ceiling at birthday parties. If you're looking for exercises to test your knowledge, there is a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video so far and want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.